what I wish I knew about birds instead of just their songs. It's called anting. Birds are smarter than they look. When a bird finds an ant, it picks it up and rubs it all over its feathers. This strange behavior is like a bird's version of a spa treatment. The ants release formic acid, a natural chemical that helps repel pesky parasites and mites. Think of it as bird bug spray. Some birds even lay on anthills, letting the ants swarm all over them. It's like a free organic spa day. Scientists believe anting helps birds keep their feathers clean and healthy. So next time you see a bird getting cozy with ants, remember it's not just weird, it's wonderfully wise. Nature never ceases to amaze, right? Keep looking out for these little wonders in your own backyard.